understand that my good brother, Chief Dele Momodu, is the next person to speak. And I think he has another engagement. So please spare me and avail me the opportunity to bring Chief Dele Momodu on. Chief, can you kindly unmute yourself? And can you make your submission? Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Maz. Yes, okay. Thank you so much. Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for this opportunity. Actually, this is my fourth conference today. I still have one more. And after that, I still have to write my weekly column for this day, which is about 2,000 words. So please bear with me. Let me say that it's unfortunate that once upon a time, I used to boast that some things can never happen in Nigeria. And again, we went through the military era, especially the draconian regime of General Sani Abacha, under which I was in exile in England. And I said, okay, at least the day Abacha died, we said, this is the final end to dictatorship in Nigeria. But where are we today? What we're seeing is very, very similar to what we witnessed under the military. And I know I listened to the governor of Benue when he said, maybe they have not told the president or the president is not aware. No, we're just making excuses. It is obvious that those who are running our affairs by proxy and on behalf of President Muhammadu Buhari, they understand his body language. And that is why they can do what they are doing. It's impossible. I worked as one of the media campaigners for him between 2014 and 2015. And I can tell you something for free. He reads newspapers. He reads, even when he was in London. On one occasion, when I went to his apartment in Mayfair, his table was littered with newspapers. They used to send newspapers to him, even from Nigeria. So to say that he's not aware, I don't believe that. I just believe that what is happening are two things. One, the people at the center of this raging controversy are his kinsmen. So it means he has to protect their interest. And don't forget that before he became president, he had always been their godfather. He had always protected their interests. And on one occasion, he even came in a rage to Ibadan to complain that his men were being maltreated at that time. So definitely these people are enjoying protection, and that is why they can brazenly display weapons that are not licensed by the state. They are carrying these weapons openly. I don't know of any Yoruba man or any Igbo man or anybody from the Middle Belt who will carry an AK-47 openly and will not be arrested. It's not possible. Sunday Igbo has not carried any such weapon. The IG immediately said they were going to arrest him. So this, for me, is very unfortunate. The second is religion. The second is religion. There's no question about it. That the Muslims, especially the northern Muslims, are over-pampered, while their fellow Christians, the northern Christians, don't enjoy the same privilege. It's clear. There is no doubt about that. So let's not give excuses and say the president is not aware or whatever. His body language is definitely very obvious. I'm afraid that Nigeria is going the way, if it has not gone already, the way of Somalia, Sudan, and other such places that we used to think were far away from us. We are witnessing it live. When I saw the story in Punch yesterday, which was originally carried by the Herald Desert or something like that, one newspaper. I saw it for the first time, and I saw the pictures, I saw the videos of Sheikh Gumi going into the forest to negotiate with bandits in Zamfara. I couldn't believe I was looking at my dear beloved country, Nigeria. Some of us believe that Nigeria, the greatness of Nigeria, yes, we can say we were forced together, but spiritually, there must have been a reason why God made us the biggest. So why do we want to decimate ourselves and then reduce ourselves into splintered groups? I don't have any answer to that. But it seems some people are determined to take us down that road. Those who are alleging that there is a Fulanization agenda and Islamization agenda, maybe they are right and we are wrong. So I'm hoping that some of our speakers here, I've seen my brother Colonel Iyam and all of them, and those of them who have been in the military, maybe they will be able to tell us more about these issues. Then finally, on the issue of politics, there was a video I made recently, and people were talking about, oh, you spoke well about the Igbo question. And it's not about speaking well. I've always been saying it. I think it just, because of the mood of the nation, it finally resonated with the people. You see, we have 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria. And if you trace the history of Nigeria, let's start from the first republic to now, you realize that you've had Tafawa Balewa from Bauchi, you've had the Owele Nnamdi Azikiwe from Southeast, you've had Aguiyi Ironsi, you've had General Gawan, you've had Murtala Muhammad, you've had Obasanjo, you've had Buhari, you've had Babangida, you've had Abacha. Okay, there was the national government headed by Chief Shunekon. Then you had Abacha, followed by Obasanjo, followed by Yaradua. You will see that Nigeria is largely controlled by the military. Because even when we said we returned to civilian government in 1999, it went to a retired general. When he handed over to the brother of a retired general, Umaru Musa Yaradua, the brother of Shehu Musa Yaradua. Jonathan just came by accident. And then we returned to Buhari, and that's where we are now. So it is obvious to me that if care is not taken, even those who are dreaming that the thing will come to the south in 2023, maybe it's mere wishful thinking. Yeah, because there is no way the Fulani can sustain what they have started now unless they have their hold on power. So don't let anybody dismiss it and say, oh, it's not possible. Oh, it must come to the south. We're taking it for. So when it comes to the south, then the southerners themselves will now have to look at the issue of morality. So where does it go in the south? So does it mean that it will never go to those who have not had it, or it will just be, will be passing like a relay race from northwest to southwest, back to northwest? I don't think it is going to be that easy. So these are some of the issues that I'm looking forward to, and I hope that we'll be able to address them. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Chief Dele Momodu. You've spoken well. I mean, in your last video that you made, it would only take a madman not to appreciate the facts that you read out there. As you said here, this is not the first time that, that wasn't the first time that you said something like that. But because of the mode of the nation at the moment, that's why it appeared people eventually began to listen. Nothing you said there is new to everyone. I've said this privately to you. I'm saying it publicly again. Thank you for lending your voice when it matters. On that note, in summary of what you've said, you have basically said to us and to everyone listening that the president reads the newspaper. So like the governor of Benue State saying the president might not be aware. What you are telling the world today is that the president is reading the paper and that the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is indeed aware of what is happening. On that note, I will bring